Okay, so this is a quick video to show how to replace this backflow preventer thing that always breaks every winter. So this is the stuff that I got from buying from Amazon. It's about $35. It includes this top part and this bottom part that goes into here like that, and it also comes with this I don't know, grease thing that's supposed to be applied on the rubber rings here and here, so that it gets a good fit and it doesn't wear it out when you install it. So I'm gonna show you what happened to my old I guess poppet thing that broke. As you can see, I have to break it because when it popped out sideways, and I couldn't really remove it properly by unscrewing it, so I had to break it in pieces for me to remove it. And so that's what it looks like. So we're gonna go to the actual backflow and then install it real quick. Okay, so first I'm going to apply this oil or grease thing around the rubber rings. That, get more grease. So it doesn't really matter if you smear it all over, since it's gonna get wet anyway. This is just an extra layer to make sure you get a good fit. Okay, there you go. And then we can just drop this one off first, because this is how it's gonna go, right? Like that. So we're gonna drop this inside, just like that. Put the top part on it, and then make sure you have a good thread inside before you screw it. Make sure that it feels right. This one doesn't feel right. There you go. Now it feels right, and just screw it. Now you don't need any tool to put this on. You just need to hand tight it, because it has the rubber gasket. And actually it says right here, I don't know if you can see it, it says hand tighten. So just, I would say, I would tighten it using my hand until I feel like it's tight enough, like right about there. And that's it. So now we're gonna install the top bell. Okay, so this is the bell cover and the nut. So we're just gonna put it on and screw it in. I'm just gonna use an adjustable wrench to tighten this, because it doesn't need to be very tight. It just needs to be there enough for it to hold. There you go. And so we're gonna try to turn it on, and hopefully it doesn't blow up. So I'm gonna turn on, I think this is the supply here. Yep, you see that there's a arrow here. So I'm gonna turn it on without turning this one on and see if it, okay, yeah, that is normal. So the first time it's gonna have that water as it pressurized, and then we're gonna turn on this one. Okay, there you go. And there's no water coming out, so everything went well.